Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the interest rate for a savings account at Poppy Bank. But before I jump into the details, let's take a step back and talk about why interest rates are important. Interest rates are basically the price of borrowing money. When you deposit money into a savings account, the bank is essentially borrowing your money to lend out to other people. In return, they pay you interest on your deposit. So, the higher the interest rate, the more money you'll earn on your savings. Now, let's get back to the question at hand. What is the interest rate for a savings account at Poppy Bank? Well, as of the time of this recording, the interest rate for Poppy Bank's premier online savings account is 5.5%. This is a pretty competitive rate compared to other banks, so it's definitely worth considering if you're looking for a place to save your money. Of course, it's important to note that interest rates can change over time. So, it's always a good idea to check with the bank to get the most up-to-date information. In addition to the interest rate, there are a few other things to consider when choosing a savings account. These include fees. Some banks charge fees for things like withdrawals or account maintenance. Minimum balance requirements. Some banks require you to maintain a minimum balance in your account in order to earn the advertised interest rate. Accessibility. How easy is it to access your money? Some banks have more convenient online and mobile banking options than others. Ultimately, the best savings account for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. But if you're looking for a bank with a competitive interest rate, Poppy Bank is definitely worth considering. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, stay safe and keep saving.